How to unlink your phone number from TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can unlink your phone number from TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to unlink your phone number from TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the TikTok application. Let's say that you have a phone number that you might want to unlink, so that you don't want to link any phone number. For that, just tap the profile icon from the bottom right to come to the profile page like this. Then just tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side. Then just go to settings and privacy. Then once you go to settings and privacy, go to the option called account, which is at the top of the screen. Once you tap on account, at the very top you'll find a section where it says account information. So just tap on the account information button here, and then you'll be able to find the phone number. Tap on your phone number. Now you have two options to either change your phone number or to unlink it completely. So if you want to unlink the phone number, tap the option called unlink phone here. It will just send a verification code to your phone number. So basically it'll just ask you to continue to unlink. When you tap on it, it's going to send a verification code to the number, so you want to make sure that you have access to it. This is just done to prove the ownership of the account, and then once you've done that, your phone number will be successfully unlinked. And this is how you can unlink your phone number from TikTok. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.